Nice fender, shithead.
I think there's like a 6-year-old on a 50 in this class going nuts.
He's probably faster than me.
I think so.
What are we doing today?
Not sure.
What's up, shithead?
Hi. Be last off the gate, last in the first corner.
Yeah.
But I'll sandbag my way up to the top.
That sounds about right, you fucking cheater. What are we doing today?
We are riding dirt bikes.
She's a 10, but she rides a China bike.
Ooh, fucking 3.
What are you looking forward to?
Clam chowder, the chili, cheeseburgers are great. I like hot dogs.
Good morning.
$4, you suck that finger.
Attaboy. This is fairly disappointing for me. Not gonna lie. Whoa! Oh, fuck! 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 Oh, fuck! Hey! You're doing a good job! Here we go, we're fighting for who's gonna case the fuck out of it first. Holy shit! Fuck! Fuck yeah, PJ! 612, Barry Box lot. There he goes. Good suit. You forgot to paint your ass. Right now. Damn. So this is my beautiful girlfriend that hates dirt bikes.
She gets to be in the video?
Yeah, she gets to be in the video, but you don't.
I'm gonna cry. I go to every race and I don't get to be in the video.
Oh, good bomb. Oh, wow. Holy shit, how did he save that?
I suck today.
Good for you. I suck every day. Do you have any words of encouragement for the competition?
Don't crash.
Don't crash. Attaboy. Don't fuck up. Do you have anything to say?
I gotta poop really bad.
You got some shit on your eye. Let me get that for you. It's not any better, but I tried.
No.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
We're more proud of you than any of our other friends. Taking a piss? How's it going?
Pretty good, man.
Good. I'm glad to see it. Are you excited for your first race of the day?
Dude, my bike's douched, and then I'm racing somebody else's for this class.
So you're having a good day?
I'm having a fucking alright day.
Attaboy. What's your strategy out there?
Not have his chain fall off.
Get a good start. Hey, you wanna get that booger? Ah, thanks. Ah, thanks. I don't need any more strategies.
Well, somebody gave me Taco Bell earlier, and I've had a bunch of PBRs and a few Red Bulls. So I'm pretty good right now, but there's a chance you may not want to go in there after me. But like as far as racing, I feel pretty good. Got third in senior, I was rad. Bye now.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Here's the damage right there.
Oh yeah, that China. That seems like a problem. China. How do you feel sponsoring your children after that?
Absolutely fantastic. I'd like to thank Garage 83 because they're giving us a new bike to ride.
Are you the lucky one that broke the wheel?
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Pretty upset about it.
Really?
Tough day.
Is it coming out of your wallet?
Oh, no.
Good for you.
Dad's.
Good for you. Yeah, I had some previous words with him, and yeah, I hope you can fight. Do you have any words for your competition?
I don't have competition.
Ooh!
135.
Did you fix the fork seals?
One of them.
Perfect.
So we're running one good fork.
You're doing half as gooder as you did last time.
Yeah, and no brakes. We're ready to rock.
How we doing?
Not good, but not bad. No rear brakes, blown out forks again.
Again? Oh,
A
yeah.
little bit of grease, just a little bit.
It's fine.
Loose is fast, loose is fast.
That's right. Yeah.
I'm just gonna try to start on the outside and then cut everyone on the start so I pass them.
Yeah, take them all out.
Yeah, if I take everyone out at once, then that's how you win.
Yeah, you can't lose if there's no competition.
By default, it's the best way to win.
Fuck! Oh! Yeah, Flagger! You good? He's good! Fuck! How'd it go in the porta potty?
Ooh. You don't want to go in there.
Ooh.